Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It has finally warmed up, and now I say warmed up, it is still minus 16, but thankfully not like minus 30 that it was last week. So I finally got outside to take some more pictures, which was nice to walk around. The sun is shining, it's nice and bright. I thought it'd be a perfect time to try out one of the new film simulations. This one is from Fuji X Weekly. Now, recently, obviously, if you're a Fuji follower, you know that Fuji announced a new film simulation called Nostalgic Negative. It's going to be appearing in the new GFX 100S camera that is coming out. Now, the camera's not out yet, but there's been a couple of film simulations to kind of base it on this new Nostalgic Negative. There's one by Mark G. Adams I shared on the channel already as well. I will link that down in the description, so you can check that one out. This one is from Fuji X Weekly. It is based on the classic Chrome built-in simulation. So what I'll do, I took some pictures. I will share the recipe after the picture so you can take a look, and if you want to give it a try, just pause the video, put it into your camera, set the Q menu how you want to have it set up. Give it a try. I like this one. It's interesting. It works well on a bright sunny day. I do like how it kind of renders the skies nice blues. Nostalgic Negative. Let me know what you think of these pictures. Now don't forget, I numbered the pictures, so let me know down in the comments below what picture you like the most. It's always appreciated. Any feedback on that? Give this film simulation a try. Again, I will leave the recipe down below in the description, as well as a link to the Fuji X Weekly website. If you're new to Fujifilm simulations, that's a great resource to check out, Fuji X Weekly. There's also simulations for different types of camera sensors. I use the Fuji X-T4 for all my pictures. Now, the pictures you did see were not edited. They were just the JPEG images. The only editing that I did in a couple of the pictures was a little bit of a crop and some of the straightening of the horizon lines on the photos. But that is it. These are straight out of camera. Hopefully you like them. If you did, don't forget, give the channel a thumbs up if you enjoy these videos. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, all that stuff, subscribe to the channel. It's great to have you follow along. If you have questions about these film simulations or any other Fuji question, I use a Fuji X-T4. Be happy to try and answer it. I may be able to answer it in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great week and enjoy getting outside and taking the photos if the weather is great where you are.